Ashe, yeah, yeah. Medicine Mama Kia. Tapping in with some ashe for your day. May you get up in here. Get up in here. Come here, friend. Let me know how you are feeling. May I cleanse your vibration with some sound healing. Yeah. I will use my Sacral Chakra bowl to specifically direct synergy, holistic, vibrational healing to your womb, to your lingam, to your yoni, to your sexual sacred seat where you hold power, passion, and positivity. I don't know who needs to hear this, but I am here to enlighten your sound wave, release those negative thoughts and vibrations that have been stuck upon you like residue. Ashe mama, yeah, Oshun. I call upon the Most High for sensual vibrations I send to you. I call upon north, south, east, west. May we begin the healing. May you take a deep breath. Hold for 5 seconds. And release. Envision all of that dark, gray matter relieving your lungs and your chakras of stagnancy. Asheo. Take a deep breath. Sit in this energy of ecstasy and pleasure, stimulation, pure vibration. May the ancestors be with you. May you feel peace. May you be peace. May your day feel peace. May your day be peace. If you would like to align your feminine cycle, your menstrual cycle, your blood river with the lunar phases, I offer sacred sound bowl sessions, private healing sessions via FaceTime, Instagram Live, or Zoom on thewitchwellnessshop.com, available for $33.33. We will have an in-depth sacred room reading, consolation, and healing ascension with the sound bowl, removing residue from your womb, aligning your cycle with the new moon or the full moon phase, enlightening the pain. We're going to remove all of the heaviness and the tension. Your period will feel lighter. Your period will be shorter, 3 to 4 days length, as you take in the sound wave of the sacral womb. Ashe ye ye. I appreciate you kindly. I offer these beautiful sound waves on my Instagram Live at KiaMarilyn_, at thewitchwellnessshop_. Tap into Sacred Sister Circles on Instagram to learn when my virtual and my physical gatherings will be. You can also shop the jewelry that I have on my goddess temple now. My rose quartz earring with some beautiful Hamza charms. My rose quartz choker necklace that is flexible for all different size necks, neck widths. And then I have my rose quartz waist beads, as well as my silver yoni chain cowrie shell beads with love and Orisha descent. These are offered on thewitchwellnessshop.com, ranging from $15.55 to $41.11. All of my love is love donation and affordable and incredibly inexpensive for your spiritual gain here on Earthway. Blessed be. May you take some ashe for your day.